madilim.
தயவு செய்து மின் தூக்கிகளை பயன்படுத்தவும்.
Attention please, for your safety, please do not stand near the escalator landing.
Entering the left, and look at this, guys. Yeah, so there's a oops, I haven't pressed that down. Yeah, so this is the sanitizer here, guys, for the safety. Yeah, so yan, guys, palabas na ako at hindi mo na ako sasakay sa, so ito yung papunta sa taas, ito yung sa MRT, guys, pero waiting pa din ako kasi I don't know what time they're coming, and I don't want to spend my time inside the car, so because I don't know, they will cut my AC lane. So this is the way, and I don't know where are they. So ito yung anuhan ng ticketing, guys. Ito yung tapos meron din silang ano dito. Yan, so very yan. So, and I don't know what time they coming, so I'm still want to wait for them. Yeah. So I need a call from them. Yeah, so and I'll just wait here for a while. Yeah. Wait for them. May ano pa naman dito. So mayroong ano dito mga palangga, my camera, so I cannot spend my time longer here. So I go back to the left. Yeah, and I go back to the left there for a while, because I cannot spend my time here.